GoHighLevel AgentStudio is here. Listen up. If you're running an agency or a small business in 2026, your world just got flipped upside down, and you better be paying attention. The old way is dead, done, buried. The era of stitching together 20 different software tools with digital duct tape and prayer is over. There's a new game in town, HighLevel AgentStudio. This isn't some cute little update or another tool to add to your bloated subscription list. This is a fundamental shift. How you operate, how you deliver value, how you win. Decide now. Like, are you the steamroller or the pavement? It's a visual builder for AI agents that lets you automate the unautomatable, and it's about to separate the talkers from the doers. Most of you are talking about AI, but you aren't doing anything with it because it seems too complicated, too expensive, or requires a team of nerds you can't afford. You know that feeling when you look at your credit card statement at the end of the month, that long list of SaaS subscriptions, 50 here for a chatbot, 200 there for a workflow tool, another 100 for a content generator, the developer you paid to connect two apps that hate each other. That's not just a line item, that's your agency bleeding out. It's death by 1,000 paper cuts. Your tech stack looks like a messy pile of junk in the garage. It's inefficient, it's expensive, it's fragile. One broken API key, one software update, and your client-facing operation grinds to a halt. The real cost isn't just subscription fees. The real cost is time, your team's time, your time, jumping between 10 different browser tabs to get one task done. Troubleshooting why CRM data isn't showing in your email tool. Manual, repetitive work a machine should do. This is wasted payroll. It's lost opportunity. Every minute fixing integrations is a minute not on strategy, not on creativity, not on getting new clients. You're paying people to be human glue. And let's talk about the data. It's a disaster. Customer data scattered across a dozen silos that don't talk. So what's the fix? You stop juggling. You stop paying for 20 different tools that barely work together. You bring it all home. HighLevel AgentStudio is the answer. It's not another tool. It's the replacement for those tools. It's a single unified platform where you can build the exact custom automations you need without the mess. It consolidates your chatbot, your workflow engine, your content creator, your API integrator. This isn't about adding another app. It's about subtracting 10. Simplify your stack so you can amplify your output. One dashboard to rule them all. The magic here is the visual drag and drop builder. Forget coding, forget hiring expensive developers to write custom scripts. If you can draw a flow chart on a whiteboard, you can build a powerful AI agent. Drag blocks, we call them nodes, onto a canvas and connect them with lines. One block can be an AI brain that thinks and writes. Another can be a tool that pulls data from any website. Another can connect to your client's CRM through an API. You're building complex, intelligent systems by just connecting dots. It demolishes the technical barrier that has kept 99% of agencies from truly leveraging AI. No code, no limits. Think about the implications. You eliminate points of failure. Integrations don't break because they're native components of the same system. Let's get granular. What are the actual tools, the weapons you get inside AgentStudio? First, you have the brain, the LLM node. This is your direct line to powerful large language models. This is your content writer. This is your strategist. This is your email crafter. This is your question answerer. Feed it a prompt and context from your workflow. It will generate human-like text on demand like a world-class copywriter on standby 24/7. Ready to work for pennies. use it to summarize articles, use it to write social media posts, use it to personalize sales emails, or power an entire chatbot conversation. It's the creative engine for your automations. Next up, the API node. This is your universal connector. It breaks your business out of its four walls and talks to the internet. Custom or obscure CRM, no problem. The API node can push and pull data, get live shipping rates from FedEx, pull weather data for a promotion, enrich a lead with third-party data, replaces brittle middleware like Zapier or Make, gives direct, reliable access to any platform with an open API. Then information gatherers. The knowledge base node reads your documents, upload PDFs, upload text files, upload entire website content. The agent can search that info to answer questions accurately. Pair that with the web search node. It browses the live internet for up-to-the-minute information. This isn't theory. This is about practical money-making execution. Let's talk about real use cases you can build today. Take social media management, a service every agency offers. Flowchart, social media agent trigger to final post. Imagine an agent that monitors an industry hashtag on Twitter. It detects a trending topic. Web search node gathers a few articles for context. LLM node writes a sharp, insightful post. Image generation node creates a custom graphic to match the theme. Scheduler, high-level social media planner posts it. You just automated a social media manager's entire afternoon. Now think about customer support like a huge pain point. Build an agent that lives inside the high-level web chat. The agent consults the knowledge base node loaded with FAQs and manuals. If the question is more complex, like where is my order, the API node checks Shopify or WooCommerce in real time and returns exact status. If the customer's angry or asked to speak to a person, the agent creates a ticket and assigns a human support rep. Let's talk marketing and sales. Stop overthinking it. Getting started with this is faster than making a cup of coffee. There are no hoops to jump through, no sales demos to sit on, no complex installation processes. If you're already on high level, you're literally 3 clicks away from building your first AI agent. This is designed for speed of implementation because I know you don't have time to waste. Your first step is the simplest. Just log into your high-level account. If you're not on high level, then that's your first problem to solve, and you need to solve it yesterday. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand navigation menu. You'll see an option called AI Agents. Click it. That's click number 1. This will take you to your AI agent dashboard. From there, you'll see a button or link for AgentStudio. That's click number 2. Clicking this will launch the visual builder, the canvas where you're going to start creating. You'll see a blank grid, a library of nodes on the side, and a create agent button. That's your third and final click to get started. You're in. Now let's talk about building safely. Nobody wants to break a live client workflow. AgentStudio has this built in with a simple 3-stage deployment process, draft, staging, and production. When you first create an agent, it's in draft mode. This is your sandbox. You can build, experiment, and break things without any real-world consequences. Use the built-in test tab constantly. You can feed it sample data and see exactly how the agent runs to find and fix errors before they ever see the light of day. Now, look, we can talk about this all day. Flowcharts give you use cases, preach about the future, but none of it matters until you get your hands dirty. Information alone is useless. Execution is the whole game. You know, the gap between the agency you have and the agency you want is pure, simple action. Yeah, you have the tool, you have the roadmap, and the only thing missing is you. Right now, your competitor is probably in AgentStudio building the exact service you were planning to look into next quarter, while you're pondering, they're building. While you're in a meeting, they're deploying. Before you close this tab, remember your pricing and plan. Number of API calls, amount of media you can generate. So take 30 seconds, check your plan, and understand the resources you have at your disposal. This is just smart business. Know your inventory before you go to war. If you need more firepower, upgrade. The ROI you'll get from automating just one major workflow will pay for the upgrade 10 times over. Don't be cheap on the things that will make you rich. You've just seen what this system can do. It learns your business. It gathers your information. It writes your content. It handles conversations. It takes action. And once you turn it on, your workflow never looks the same again. This is the shift in 2026. This is where the old way ends. And now your automations are through AI AgentStudio and GHL, allowing you to scale and blow away those not willing to adopt AI in their businesses or agencies. It builds brand and keeps the focus on the content. It's a pro move. Pay attention to the details. Here is my call to action. It's not a request. It's a major recommendation for your business, for your future. Open HighLevel right now. Click on AI agents. Open AgentStudio. Build one thing. I don't care if it's simple. I don't care if it's clumsy. Build an agent that takes a keyword and writes a single social media post. Test it, deploy it, experience that feeling of creating an automated asset in minutes. That one small win will change your perspective forever. Stop being a student, stop being a spectator. The opportunity is here. The time is now. Go execute. If you are not a HighLevel customer, click on the link in the description and get a full 30 days for free trial, free GHL bootcamp training, and all my bonus material. Thank you for watching, and please like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps the channel grow. See you in the next video soon.